Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima. If you guys have Kia Optima and you hear grinding noises coming from the brakes guys, every time you apply the brake pedal, we hear grinding noises coming from the front wheels or rear wheels. We'll explain what most likely causes that. 5 things that can cause that, so make sure to stay until the end. It could be any of those. Now let's go ahead and explain what it could be. So, if you guys have a Kia Optima generation 2010 to 2015, that video should be helpful. It may be even helpful on the later generation because some things are interchangeable. Let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. In addition guys, all we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Kia Optima, we'll also share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy tools and parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. Another thing, if you guys want to see our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys, you can find quite helpful information for vehicles that can save you thousands of dollars guys, and we're approaching 400,000 subscribers, so we have videos that can save you quite a bit of money. So we're working on the front suspension of that Kia Optima on the front left side. We're guys inspecting the brakes. Okay, this is a brake pad that's on the outside usually. Okay, that brake pad will be right here. Okay, let me position it. You go right here. Then we have one brake pad that's on the inside. Okay, we don't need to put it just like that. You see which one it is. Usually one of the brake pads, okay, on your Kia Optima guys, okay, you can see this one is in. We'll have that device, okay, that thing right here. What that is guys, okay, let's explain now. This metal, okay, metal plate is the one that will signal if your brakes are wore out. When you press the brake pedal guys, and if your brake pad is wore out to the point you can see that this metal plate is contacting the brake, the disc brake, the rotor itself, you're going to hear a grinding noise coming from the like a squeaking grinding noise coming from the brakes, because that will tell you you need new brakes. Okay, most Kia Optimas, okay, they do not have, actually guys, they do not have the sensors that detects if the brake pads are wore out. All they have is that plate that it's going to make noises. Number 2 guys, sometimes, okay, that plate may be missing, people may ignore it. Okay, number 2, if you hear grinding noises from the brakes when you apply the brake pedal, inspect the thickness of your brake pads. Wore out brake pads, okay, will actually cause that as well. If they're wore out too much, you will have rivets, you will have the base of the pad which will contact the rotor, and as a result guys, this will actually cause that grinding noise as well. Number 3, let's say you have a rock, like a sand or something like that, a foreign object stuck in the brake pad guys, okay, in the brake pad, between the brake pad and the rotor. That let's say a little bitty rock or sand will be stuck there. That can cause that as well, so make sure you don't have foreign objects stuck inside guys, because if you have a foreign object stuck inside, it can make a groove, okay, on your rotor, and also it will be creating that grinding squeaking noise as well. Number 4, if you use your brakes, let's say going downhill in to a mountain pass or something like that, or you use your brakes quite a bit guys, or they're really old, what can happen? They can get really shiny. Okay, they get baked because the temperature of the rotor will rise the more you use them. When you stop all at sudden, when you go through mountain passes, you're going downhill and you stop all the time, they will get so hot that they will turn kind of like they will create that glaze, almost like mirror finish look guys, and that mirror finish look will actually it can create squeaking, grinding, okay, squeaking brakes as well, so that's quite common. Number 5, always inspect your rotors. Make sure they're nice and smooth, you don't have grooves, and make sure that they're not cracked. Sometimes you may see a surface crack, and that surface crack can be creating that noise as well. If you suspect anything, better with your brakes guys, replace the brake components as soon as you can. Now the brake rotors and the brake pads, the whole kit for that Kia Optima is very inexpensive, and I'll put a link in the description of the video below to the one that we ordered, and it's amazing guys, so please check it out. If you have any questions how to replace brake pads, we have the complete video and torque specs for that Kia Optima as well. Thank you for watching and see you next time.